Loop versus technology. 20 facts that sound like sci-fi. The first computer filled an entire room. A smartphone is more powerful than the computers that sent people to the moon. Artificial intelligence learns from data. 3D printers can print houses. Robots already help in factories and medicine. The first video game was made in the 1950s. Technology makes the world faster, but also noisier. Drones are used not only for filming, but for delivery. VR headsets trick the brain. The first computer mouse was made of wood. Communication tech shrank the world to seconds. Smartwatches measure pulse and steps. Satellites help predict the weather. Without a password, a smartphone is just a brick. Technology makes us smarter and lazier. The first photograph was taken almost 200 years ago. Electric cars are changing transport. Space telescopes let us see distant galaxies. Algorithms decide what we see online. The future of technology depends on people, not machines.